Good morning, children. Today we'll learn about capacity. Okay. See here, children. The amount of liquid a container can hold is its capacity. Okay. The amount of liquid a container can hold is called as its capacity. Okay. Children, liquids are measured in capacity. That is, the liquids are measured in liters, milliliters. Okay. Any liquid, it may be water, milk, oils, medicines. Okay, these are the liquids. Yes, these liquids are measured in liters and milliliters. Okay, see here, liter is bigger than this milliliter. Okay, now here you can see 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Okay, 1 liter means 1000 milliliters. So here milliliter is smaller than this liter. Okay, the capacity of small quantity of liquids is measured in milliliters and big quantity is measured in liters. Okay, so here 1 liter is 1000 times greater than this milliliter. Okay, liter is bigger than 1000 times bigger than milliliters. Okay, then how we measure the liters? We use government approved standard measures to measure the liquids here. Okay, see here, this mug is half liters, this is 1 liter, this is 1.5 liters, this is 2 liter mug, and this is 5 liters mug or can. Okay, children, where do you see these mugs? We see these mugs in the dairies. Yes, when you go to buy milk, then the milk is measured in liters or milliliters. Okay, we can measure any liquid using these measuring mugs. Okay, now we'll see the exercise. See the first exercise. Tick the container in each set that has more capacity. Capacity means, children, the amount of liquid can hold. Okay, the amount of liquid can the container hold is called capacity. See here, this is bigger and this is smaller here. Yes, this can hold more liquid. Yes, if you put liquid water, see for example, if you put water in this, it can hold more water. It can hold 1 liter of water or more than that. But this container is very small. Yes, smaller than this. So it will hold less water. So what we have to do? We have to take the container that has more capacity. So here in this A1, which has more capacity, children, this big one has more capacity. Yes. So tick here. Okay, which container is bigger, that hold more liquid. Okay, now A1 I have done, B and C you will do and you will send me. Okay, now we'll see the next exercise. See the next exercise. Does each actual object hold more than, less than or equal to 1 liter? Write more than or less than or equal to in the given space. See the question, children. They have asked the object can hold more than, less than or equal to 1 liter. We have to compare the containers that hold how much of liquid with the 1 liter. And we should write whether it is equal or less than or more. See here, children, 1 liter of any liquid means this much. Okay, see, this can hold 1 liter. 1 liter. Yes, this is exactly 1 liter. Okay, this much of liquid we need to compare with these here. Okay, these containers here. This may be equal to 1 liter. This milk is equal to 1 liter. So write here equal to, because this is 1 liter milk. And this container is very big. Yes, it can hold more than 5 or 6 liter. So right here it is more than 1 liter. This container can hold, this aquarium pond can hold more than 1 liter. Okay, and this is very small. Yes, it cannot hold 1 liter of any liquid, 1 liter of or 1 liter of water. So right here it is less than 1 liter. This container can hold less than 1 liter. Okay, see here, this is equal to it. This container can hold equal to 1 liter. This container can hold 1 liter of milk. This container can hold more than 1 liter, and this container holds less than 1 liter. Okay, solve the remaining till here to here and send me. Okay, now see the next exercise. Which unit would you use to measure the capacity of the following containers? Write liters or milliliters. Liters means, children, as I have told you, this much. Okay, and milliliter means smaller than that. Okay, milliliter is 1000 times smaller than this liter. Okay, now see here, cup of tea is not equal to liter. Yes, cup of tea is not measured in liters. It is measured in milliliter, because cup of tea can hold, cup of tea means only small amount. Yes, small quantity of liquid. So write ml, that is milliliter. Cup of tea is measured in milliliter. Bucket of kerosene will be measured in liters. Spoon of medicine, this spoon of medicine, it is very small amount. Yes, very small quantity, so it is measured in milliliter. A drum of paint can be measured in liters, because it will be, drum will be very big. Yes, the container will be very big, so paint can be more than 1 liter. A drum of paint is measured in liters. Write for the remaining whether we should measure these in liters or milliliters. Okay, now we'll see the addition and subtraction of liters and milliliters. Now see here, what is the total capacity of two tanks of capacity 16 liter and 750 milliliter and 10 liter 175 milliliter. See, they have asked the total capacity of these two containers. Okay, see, the first container has 16 liter and 750 ml, and the second container has 10 liter and 175 milliliter capacity. So what we'll do, we need to find the total capacity. What we need to do, we need to draw the columns and rows like this and write liters below one another. Liters should be in one column and milliliter should be in one column, and then add the numbers. Okay, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 will be 12, 1 has carryover, and 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, 6 plus 0 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so the total capacity of these two tanks is 26 liters and 925 milliliters. Okay, now we'll see the exercise. Find the total capacity. This tank has capacity of 500 liter and this tank has capacity of 475 liters. Now the question is that what is the total capacity of these two barrels, okay, or these two containers. So here, children, they have given only in liters. No need to draw the columns here. Okay, directly we can add the liters. Write the first write the quantities. Okay, 500 liter and this is 475 liters. Now add the capacities here. Okay, add the liters. Write liter as it is. 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 7 is 7. 5 plus 4 is 9. So the total capacity of these two barrels is 975 liter. Okay. Solve B1. Okay. Now we'll see the second exercise of addition of capacity, that is liters and milliliters. First question is 64 liter and 500 milliliter plus 18 liter 385 milliliters. Now we need to add here and write. Add the milliliter first, then liter. But while writing, liter should be written first and then milliliter, because liter is bigger than milliliter. So liter should be written first, then milliliter. Now add the numbers, that is milliliters. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 8 is 8. 5 plus 3, 8. And now add the liters. 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 plus 8 is 12. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So the answer is 82 liters and 885 milliliters. Right here 82 liters and 885 milliliters. Okay. Now solve B, C and D1 and send. Now we'll see subtraction of liters and milliliters. Now here also, children, in the subtraction of liters and milliliters, we should write liters one below the other and milliliters in one column, that is one below the other. Okay, and then subtract. See the first question, find the difference. First barrel is 875 liter and the second one is 580 liters. Now they have asked difference in the capacity of two barrels. When difference comes, then we need to subtract the numbers here. Here both the numbers they have given in liters, so no need to draw this column. Okay, write directly 875 liter and 580 liters. Okay, put the subtraction sign and subtract the numbers. Liter write as it is, then 5 minus 0 is 5, then 7 minus 8 is not possible. So what we'll do, we'll borrow here 1 from 8, make this 8 as 7 and this as 17. Okay, now 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 will be 9. If you subtract 8 from 17, you will get the answer 9. Then 7 minus 5 will be 2. So the difference in the capacity of these two barrels is 295 liters. Okay, solve B and C1. Okay, next exercise, find the difference. They have already given the liters and milliliters in different columns only we need to subtract the numbers here. See A1, 0 minus 5 is not possible. So use the borrow method, cancel this also and this also. Take 1 from this and make it 10, and 5 minus 1 will be 4, because 1 we are taking from this, 1 we are taking here. Yes, so 10 minus 5 and 4 minus 7. Okay, 10 minus 5 will be 5. Okay, now here 4 is there and here 7. Now 4 minus 7, is it possible to subtract 4 from 7? Sorry, 7 from 4? No. Here also we need to cancel this 4 and this 7. Cancel this 4 and this 7. Take 1 from here and write this 4 as it is and make it 14. Now we have taken 1 from here. So what we'll do? We'll subtract 1 from this 7. So 7 minus 1 will be 6. Yes. Now subtract the numbers. 14 minus 7 will be 7. Okay. Then 6 minus 6 will be 0. Now this liter, 6 minus 2 will be 4. and 6 minus 3 will be 3. So the difference is 34 liters and 75 milliliters. So write here 34 liters and 75 milliliter. Okay, write like this here, liter, write first liter then milliliter. Now solve the B, C and D sums. Solve all the sums and send. Okay, thank you.